Hi, this is Lost Boy. We've got our Hands of Steel 2. We're doing our night runs. Again, I'm running the Glock 23C without night sights, but I am running with a flashlight. So we'll kind of see how this goes and get some good training in. We'll see.
All right, is it cold up here?
It's a little nipply.
Is it windy?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Okay, we'll see how this camera works out. Let you jump in and get this thing going. It's on you, dude. The vehicle stops when time starts.
Miss! Hit! Miss!
Come on, dude, get on target.
Hit! Miss! 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 Hit!
All right, a lot of misses, dude. Come on. There's about 30 yards right here from the barricade.
Hit!
Tack reload, search and assess. Hitting sealed targets here, handgun only. Come on, get that thing reloaded. Let's go.
Miss! Miss! Hit!
There you go. All right, come on, dude. Let's get up here. Get in on this guy. Get in on him.
Hit! Hit!
Get that mag reloaded. Come on, drop that thing.
Hit!
All right, here we go. Coming around. Contact rear.
Miss! Miss!
There's my sights.
Hit!
All right, clear.
Time.
Woo!
136.
That was the last bullet.
That was the last round?
Yeah.
Sweet. A lot tougher, huh?
That's the same last bullet.
I'm trying to put rounds on target, but when I can't see my sights on the target, it takes a little time to adjust it. So
That's tough.
Lesson learned.
Good lesson.
night
If you don't have
sights.
night sights, pick them up.
we're shooting today.
Get that light high.
All right, Lost Boy, run 2.
Bad boy! Man! Hit! Hit! Hit!
All right, good hits, good hits. Let's go. Get to this barricade. Get to this barricade.
Hit!
Good job, tack reload.
Get that light off.
Good job, good job. Way to work through it. Urban Prone, let's do this.
Hit! Now get that light off in between. Hit!
Get that thing reloaded. Come on, that dude's right freaking there.
Hit!
Headshot, one shot. Get that light on there.
Hit!
All right, let's go. Here he comes. Turn around.
Hit!
Time.
125.
125. And he drops that target.
Better than the last one by 2, but
Sweet.
it's all right.
Improvement?
Yeah, it felt better with the flashlight like this.
Did it?
So it's trying to go.
Oh,
and
definitely.
A little bit more stability. So
Okay. Good deal.
good sign.
All right, there's nothing Lost Boy hates more than cops and zombies, and you got a bunch of both out here, dude. Are you ready?
Yep.
Run number 3.
Good! Hit! Hit! Hit!
Good, shooting, 1 miss. Here we go. Gosh, Lost Boy's freaking fast. Stupid soccer player. Holy smokes, look at him sliding in there.
Hit!
Good job, tack reload. Get that gun in your workspace. Search and assess. Good job. All right, get up here, dude.
Hit!
Good job. Look at the muzzle flash on that compensated Glock.
Hit! Hit!
All right, dude, headshot, one shot. Let's do it.
Hit!
Oh! Contact rear!